Hi everyone and welcome to Smart Culture Education. This is the place where we make learning simple, clear and engaging. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on this journey of mastering maths, science and more. Now, what is depreciation? It reflects how the value of an asset decreases over time due to use, wear and tear, or obsolescence. Here you will see we will discuss two methods of calculating depreciation, linear and compound depreciation. First, we will take a look at linear depreciation, also known as simple decay or straight line depreciation. This method allocates an equal amount of the asset's cost to each year of the asset's useful life. And it is calculated with the formula A equals P multiplied by 1 minus I times N, where A is the remaining value of the asset, P is the original cost of the asset, I is the depreciation rate per year, and N is the number of years the asset has been used. What about compound depreciation? This method accelerates the depreciation. It applies a constant depreciation rate to the asset's remaining book value each year, not the original cost. So here is the formula. A equals P multiplied by 1 minus I raised to the power of N, where A is the remaining value after N years, P is the original cost, I is the annual depreciation rate, and N is the number of years.
The value of computers decreases at a fixed annual rate according to the reducing balance method. What will the interest rate per annum be for the value of a computer to be half of what it was worth originally after 5 years? In this question, we are going to work with depreciation, and they say that it decreases according to the reducing balance method. Now, the formula that we use for this looks as follows. It is A equals P times 1 minus I to the power of N. They tell us in the question that the value of the computer is half of what it was originally worth after 5 years. That means the value of A has to be half of the value of P. So in the equation, we make A half of P equals to P times 1 minus I to the power of N. And in this case, it is 5, as we want to know the value of the computer after 5 years. The P's cancel on both sides of the equation, and then we have a half equals bracket 1 minus I to the power of 5. To get rid of the exponent 5, we take the fifth root on both sides of the equation, and then we make I the subject of the equation. That gives us I is equal to 1 minus the fifth root of a half, and if we calculate the answer, it gives us 0.1294, and we multiply that by 100 to give us the interest rate. The interest rate is then 12.94% per annum.
Thank you for watching today's video on Smart Culture Education. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay updated, tap the notification bell so you never miss our next lesson. See you in the next video.